Introducing a new era in off-roading, where advanced performance and automotive-inspired features meet in a side-by-side. This is Kawasaki RIDGE. At the core is a Kawasaki inline 4-cylinder engine that raises the side-by-side standard to entirely new heights. High-grade details pair with an exceptionally smooth ride to offer an elevated experience. This is peak premium performance. You are now looking at the most powerful Kawasaki side-by-side engine ever built. RIDGE is powered by a groundbreaking 999cc Kawasaki inline 4-cylinder engine that was precision engineered for smooth power and less vibration. 4 cylinders won't just help you get the job done, it'll revolutionize your workday with precise speed control and smooth throttle response. Change the way you think about off-roading. RIDGE delivers power in a way that lets you confidently scale challenging terrain, even with precious cargo. This high-performance power plant doesn't hold back. Unprecedented acceleration and exciting top-end power is always on tap, ready to let loose when you are. With RIDGE, you get an automotive-inspired driving experience that's never been felt before in a side-by-side. This isn't your typical side-by-side cabin. RIDGE combines high performance with automotive-inspired fit and finish for an elevated off-roading experience. The spacious cabin draws you in with thoughtful design throughout. Inside, a truly immersive interior with a new level of technological sophistication further connects you to RIDGE. It's an entirely new way to experience a Kawasaki side-by-side. It's time to smooth out the rugged peaks of off-roading. RIDGE was designed to prioritize comfort and stability above all else. The way chassis and suspension work together is an art form, providing an unparalleled ride experience for work or play. A true 4-wheel drive system feeds power to each wheel individually. And with front and rear locking differentials on RIDGE XR models, you'll have ideal traction for every situation at your fingertips. This level of performance may not always be needed, but when it is, you'll be ready.
Come on, dude!
Stay dry, clean, and comfortable in any weather. RIDGE HVAC models put you in control of your own climate inside an automotive-inspired cabin that's fully enclosed. breeze through scorching trails on the hottest days without breaking a sweat. Warm up quickly on cold days and stay warm with the turn of a dial. Now adventure doesn't have to wait for a picture-perfect day. Kawasaki craftsmanship shines brightest in the details. Throughout Ridge, you'll feel the difference in comfort and quality. Precisely designed and tested, every single component prioritizes an outstanding ride quality that's meant to stand the test of time. This means that Ridge won't let you down when you need it most. Kawasaki's reputation for building reliable side-by-sides didn't come overnight.
That one's still going strong.
It was earned. And the latest proof is a first-class ride that's built to last. This is your official invitation to experience off-roading at its finest. 4 groundbreaking Ridge models deliver premium comfort in the outdoors, where premium comfort is not expected. For enhanced trail capability, 3 highly capable Ridge XR models are equipped to take you farther with more horsepower, trail-tuned suspension settings, larger tires, and more. Along with a wide range of models, there are over 50 Kawasaki genuine accessories available, so you can choose the perfect accessories to fit your needs. Elevate your off-road experience with Ridge side-by-sides.